prayed. There it was like, Ustadz, mashallah, the Ustadz I had previously told me about. When I read it, I forgot. There, I could remember everything, Ustadz.
Thank God.
Mashallah, Ustadz, you're so devout, mashallah. I can read the Qur'an easily. Thank God, I'm relieved, Ustadz.
Each community knows its own drinking place. Eat and drink from the provision of Allah, and do not go about the earth spreading corruption. Then when He calls you with a call from the earth, you will come forth. The food stalls in Tagal also often have things like semani chicken carcasses, right?
And there was also human feces there. At the time when people were eating, they didn't notice it, but one day suddenly there was human feces.
Oh my God. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, do you still remember Mbak Lisa, whom we invited to our podcast some time ago? She was our special guest, and her presence made that episode truly memorable. During the podcast session, she even reacted in real time, sharing her thoughts and feelings as we continued our conversation. While we were still chatting and discussing various topics, she responded with genuine interest and enthusiasm, making the discussion even more lively and engaging for everyone involved. The jinn immediately reacted and went up onto the chair. So yesterday we promised to perform a mass ruqyah with all of his family, and now thank God we are in Pangkebatan Karanglos, and God willing we want to immediately perform ruqyah on all of his family. Has this arrived from Tagal?
Okay.
Yes, good. Come on. Peace be upon you.
Peace be upon you and Allah be upon you.
How are you, Mas Pradit? Mas Pradit, right?
Yes.
Peace be upon you. Ha ha ha.
Please go ahead.
Yes. Yes, thank God we are currently at this very moment together with Mbak Lisa's wonderful family, Mas Pradit. We are going to carry out a mass ruqyah session together because yesterday it was also related to the family, right? So let's take a moment to focus and prepare ourselves for this session. The strong indication yesterday pointed towards witchcraft because it wasn't just Mbak Lisa who was affected, right? Mother was affected.
I don't really know, Ustadz, if...
Father?
Yes, I mean, yesterday, yes, mother had a reaction like that.
During the mass ruqyah, when listening to what I was reciting, mother reacted. Oh,
She vomited.
did she gag or choke at all?
She immediately stopped.
What about you during the ruqyah yesterday?
I didn't dare.
I didn't dare because I was once Ruqyah Ed before Ustadz.
And then?
Yeah, I hesitated back then. I was afraid that if I listened, I might.
No one would really help me at all.
So I was scared at that time.
Were you home alone?
No, my husband was there, but he was scared too.